Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my base box for Boxycharm. This is for the month of October. So if you're interested in seeing all the items that I got and just my overall thoughts on Boxycharm, I try to do these every month when I receive my box just to be helpful to those of you that are trying to decide whether this is a subscription for you or not. So if you are interested in seeing all that, then keep on watching. Alright, lovelies, I kind of have a makeshift setup right now because I just moved into my new home and I'm still setting up my makeup room slash office, so things are a mess. So I'm just trying to make things work with what I got right now, so hopefully you guys do not mind that. But eventually my background will get more interesting and I'll work with the angles. I'll figure out something in this new space. But anyways, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, travel, like one day when we can actually travel, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. So now let's get into it. If you don't know about Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $25 a month for their base box, 5 to 6 full-size products. Then they also have Boxycharm Premium, which is $35 a month. Same amount of products, but it's supposed to have like a higher box value, get more like premium products. And then they have one quarterly subscription called Boxylux that is tied to the base box. So you have to have base in order to get Boxylux. So every quarter you'll end up getting a bigger box, and for that month you'll pay $49.99 a month. They also have other like perks and stuff, so you can do add-ons, or when your box is coming you can add additional items to your box and they're like severely discounted. You also get to customize an item in your box. I think Boxylux you can customize too. And the cool thing with the add-ons, if you customize an item and there's something else you like in the customization that you didn't get, and you went with a different option, so you have a way of getting that item through the add-ons. So that's a super cool feature. They also have what is called a Boxy pop-up. It's like a huge mega sale they do every now and then where they have lifestyle products, beauty, makeup, just all types of stuff at great discounted prices. So that's another cool like members perk. So there's additional things besides just getting a subscription box. But if you are interested in checking out Boxycharm, I'll have a link below. It is a referral link. If you go through that, I do get some kind of benefit out of it, maybe like free products or something. But if you do use that link, I really appreciate it. But no pressure, you don't have to. If not, just check out boxycharm.com if you want to get more information. But now let's get into the items that I ended up getting. Here is the box. The theme this month, there's always the theme for their boxes, is candy shop, which makes sense. Halloween, you know, we're eating tons of candy. But all this makes me think is that song, Welcome to the Candy Shop. Okay, I shouldn't sing. You guys should not allow me to sing on this channel. But anyways, it makes me think of that song. For some reason, it's throwing me back, okay, to my club days. Anyways, so the first item that I got was the Breakfast in Bed palette. This is from Beauty Bakery, which is an amazing brand. It's also a black owned makeup brand, which I love that. And I did give this palette a try. Did I mention how much it costs? It is $38 for this. It's a 9-pan cool tone plummy palette, but more on the muted side. It is a pretty color story, especially if you like more muted shades and more cool tone plummy leading shades. I did actually use this on my eyes yesterday and it's pretty good. It's nothing exciting or super amazing. There's nothing super special about the formula, but the mattes were blendable. The metallics worked fine as any traditional metallics. Now, do I think it's worth $38? No. Would I buy this on my own? No, but it's cool to get it in a subscription, and I'll definitely use it because I do like cool tones, but it's not like a super exciting palette. Like, there's nothing crazy exciting about it. But the next item that I got was right here. This is the Luxie Wonderlust set. This retails for $40. This is a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Okay, so it came with this little bag, which is fun for travel. one day. But what am I trying to say? Then it has 5 brushes in here. So it's like it's like periwinkle blue, the gold up here, and then the brushes. Guys, my nails look such a mess. I need to paint them tonight. But it looks like it's like a taper brush, like a shader brush, little angle brush, a spoolie, and like a teeny little blender. I do like Luxie brushes. They are like really good. They're super soft and they work really well at blending eyeshadows on the eyes. Now, do I think this little set would be worth $40 to me? Would I pick it up for $40? Probably not, but that's the cool thing about beauty subscriptions. You get tons of items just for the $25. So I'm really happy. I always love getting brushes in my subscription boxes. All right, so the next item is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, which I am most excited about this item. Here's the box. This is the item I customized and chose for my box. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I have been wanting to try this concealer forever, so I'm so happy that this was an option to add to the box. And this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to try this. I've seen so many good reviews about this concealer. So yes, I'm so excited. That product alone made the box worth it for me. Then the next item is the Symbiosis London Tightening and Replenish Eye Mask. This is what it looks like. I'm always down for a good eye mask, but this says it retails for $93. What? They always put these like shocking priced items in the box and you're like, is this real? Is this like fake prices or whatever? Like, does someone really pay $93 for eye cream? I mean, someone in the world is, but that is crazy. It says it has hyaluronic acid, it's tightening, it replenishes the eyes, it's hopefully doing miracles for that price point. Let's see what else it says. It just says it tightens, rejuvenates, and brightens the delicate eye area. Helps with fine lines, dark circles. Can it help me like get millions of dollars? I mean, at that price point, it better be changing my life. Anyways, I just think that's crazy. So the last item in my box was the Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner Dual. This goes for $16 a month. And it's called, let's see, it says the Draw It Lip Liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. And there's 2 shades in here. I like Ace Beauté as well. I think it's Ace Beauté. Or is it Ace Beauty? I don't know, but they are also a black-owned makeup brand, which is awesome. And here it is. So it has the color, so it looks like it's a red and like a nudie brownie shade. And then let's take these off. So there's the tips of it. And it, oh, I already messed up the thing. And then it's one of those like you just raise it up. You don't have to sharpen. Let's see what the colors look. Oh, I just broke one of the tips off. Oh my gosh, I'm such a destructive little person. I ruin everything. Okay. I pushed way too hard on that. Is anything coming out? Oh my gosh, I think I broke it. I think I broke the lip liner. But let me swatch the little piece that fell out. But that is the red shade. I will figure out later what is going on with that. And then here is the nudie beige brown shade. They do feel like super creamy and glidey, like it would just glide on the lips really well. So I'm excited for these. I'm always down for a nice, good, creamy lip liner. We'll just have to see if they actually last and help, you know, keep your lip line looking fresh. But I don't know what I just did to this. I think I broke my lip liner already. But that is nothing on the product. That is just me being heavy-handed and being a savage with my makeup products. But that was it. That was everything in the box. Let me get the total so I can put the total value on the screen so you guys can see what you get for $25. Let me get my trusty little calculator and we will do this together. This video is kind of short because normally I unbox 2 boxes and I usually get Boxy Premium, but I ended up canceling it because I felt like I wasn't getting anything better than I could get from Base Box. And honestly, I didn't need 2 beauty subscriptions. I already buy tons of makeup. I mean, do I really need any more products in my life? So I ended up canceling it. But that's just my opinion. I know a lot of people love Boxy Premium, but it just wasn't worth it for me, and I didn't need that much stuff coming in the mail every day. But anyway, so let's add this together. We got $38 plus $40 plus $24 plus $93 plus $16. So it's saying the total value of the box, can you see? It says $211. $211. And I only paid $25 for this box, of course, plus tax. So that's definitely worth it to me. I think that's crazy. I am most excited about the Dose of Colors concealer because this is something I've been wanting to try. I'm really looking forward to these lip liners. Hopefully I can fix this one I already broke. And I'm always happy to get makeup brushes in my box. And of course, I love having a good eye cream, and I definitely will get some use out of this palette, even though I don't think it's worth the $40. It's definitely shades that I would use. I love cool toned neutral shades. But that was it for my box this month. Overall, I think it was a good box and worth the $25 for me. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you will get Boxycharm, did you love your items? Did you hate your items? You know, I love hearing from all of y'all. And like I said before, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, unboxings, all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. Also, don't forget to check out the description. I'll have Boxycharm linked and all the items in the description in case you're curious about any of the items I got in my box. And I will also have my contact information as well as my Instagram. I'm at The Curvy Traveler. I'll put that on the screen for you guys to see. You can check me out there and join my Instagram fam. I would really appreciate that as well, and all that good stuff. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up too, so I know you guys are enjoying these videos. And that was everything, guys. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video, and I just hope everyone is doing well wherever you are in the world. Sending you light and love, but until next time, bye guys.